Hi guys, today I show you how to attach this overlocker foot to a brother's sewing machine and how to use it. First, remove the foot already attached to the sewing machine. When you attach the overlocker foot, this arm part should go like this. Then put the screw back. After that, turn the stitch width to number 5. Next, turn stitch length dial to SS and stitch pattern dial to 29. Keep the fabric above and under the foot and start sewing. When it is finished, it looked like this. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and remember to press the bell icon.